Awesome.
All right, now we're walking into the go ahead. The Jean Carlos suite space. And as we come forward, we've still got a lifetime of cleaning as far as it feels, but you know, we're making progress, and we're going to just take a look at a couple of the rooms quickly that we cleaned up and put back to where they were. The behind the bar room, cleaned out this room, and this room was all repainted. All the racks were pulled out, steam cleaned, put back in place. We had to replace drywall from 4 feet up just because we had some hazardous conditions that needed to be addressed. The walk-in coolers were cleaned out. And all of this stuff should be relatively ready to go. The walls got cleaned. And heading back. The majority of the focus in this space has been on the kitchen, the prep area, any of the area that backed up to a service section, such as the bar, which is, you know, why we were in the room behind the bar, the utility service room, the hot water tank. We cleaned all that out, painted all that, scrubbed down the tubs, scrubbed the tile. That's all. It's actually in really nice shape compared to what it was. I don't know if you can see that.
The utility room?
Yeah, the white walls are actually white again. You scrub the slop sink and the tile. You know, if we get a paint scheme, we'll get the doors painted. But as I say, the majority of the focus of the cleaning has been in the kitchen. The appliance company was here yesterday evaluating the appliances, and I hope to get a report back on those. I think that some of them will be able to be reused. Steam cleaning, we cleaned the hood system, all got cleaned today, steam blasted. You can actually see the gas lines again are actually looking like pipe. And behind us where the weight station used to be, you can see we replaced all the drywall, put up the PEX board. You have an old condition versus a new condition, and this is where we stop, you know, and we will continue on with this, so you can kind of look at the old and the new just by turning and look at the other half of the room. The floor was steam cleaned. The ceiling tiles, these were the reused ceiling tiles that we just painted the grid, which you also see in the back kitchen. Alright, and into the kitchen. We removed everything from the kitchen, and again, you see all the drywall was removed, and we put up new PEX board. So this is all brand new. The lights were all replaced. The ceiling tiles were reused. They were all painted. We ran into a problem when we moved the stove today. We found some more contaminated material, so we had to cut this out. And this will all get replaced. And then this is getting stainless steel because it's behind the oven, so you'll have stainless steel from here wrapping right around this wall. Okay? More of the same on this end with the slop sink on the floor. We found this wall was contaminated to the point that we replaced this wall, and then this lower section as well was tore out this morning so that we can replace this with the proper green board for the moisture. These coolers were also steam cleaned, and these are in pretty good shape as well. These racks were steamed off. With the freezer in the back, the walk-in freezer, the walk-in cooler. Need some new lights in here, but just cleaned up real nice. And then the back office, same thing. We're just cleaning up the drywall in there. We'll put a fresh coat of paint on it. And then some new tiles up in there. Will be back here. Still a lot to do. It's frustrating because it doesn't look like much progress is being made, but there is considerable change in the, and if you want to get an idea of the dirt, you can look at just the buildup on the grates from over the stoves. That's pretty much how all the walls looked. The walls and the floor, for the most part, had that nice greasy buildup. So we've been scrubbing and pulling out the old, starting with the new.